Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to enable the two-step verification in WhatsApp. So okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. So okay guys, let's start. You all have to do is go to WhatsApp application in your mobile phone. Okay guys, here in your WhatsApp application, you'll have to do is click the three dot on the upper right side on your screen and click settings. Okay guys, here in settings, click account. Okay guys, here in account, you can see the two-step verification. Click this. And okay guys, here in two-step verification, so okay, you can see the enable below. All you have to do is click the enable button. And okay guys, here you can enter the 6-digit PIN which you will be asked for when you register your phone number with WhatsApp. So, okay. Okay guys, confirm your PIN. And okay guys, add an email address to your account which will be used to reset your PIN if you forget it, and safeguard your account. So, okay. After you enter your email address, so okay, click next and confirm your email address. Enter again your email address. So okay guys, after you confirm your email address, okay, click save button. Okay guys, two-step verification is enabled. So click done. And okay guys, we have successfully enabled the two-step verification in your WhatsApp account. So okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.